Hello everyone, this is Mahir with TrueDoor Property Management here to present to you 203 Via Senda here in beautiful San Clemente. This is going to be a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it comes in at about 1,500 square feet. So just as you take a quick look, here is the outside of the property. I'm going to go ahead and take you inside to show you what else this house has to offer. So as we continue on, it does have a nice little gated entry here, so keeps it a little bit more private. Here is kind of your front yard area. There is the entrance to the front, but before we go inside, I'm just going to give you a quick tour of what's on the outside. So here, this is kind of your side yard. You do have access from inside through the kitchen, but I'll show you that in a second. But it is a very nice, spacious front yard. A lot of extra space here, so you can kind of utilize that if you're entertaining or you like to garden. There's definitely plenty of space here. And then as we continue on, right here off to the right, you do have your 2-car garage. We're going to go ahead and clean that out in just a second. But yeah, nice size 2-car garage. There's a workbench and things like that. And then there's also access to the side yard from here as well. And then you also have your washer and dryer here as well. This is a brand new washer, just so you are aware. But continuing on, let's go ahead and take a look inside. All right, so right as you walk in, you kind of have your living room area, which is a nice open area, and then you have a room off to the right, but I'll kind of go in more of a circular motion. So here is the kitchen. Nice large dining room. That table is, you can move that kind of however you want to organize this space, so it's free to move, or if you want to put it outside, you can do that as well. But again, a great size dining room here, open area, and you do have access to the kitchen. So here is the kitchen. Nice, beautiful blue countertops here. Some white tiles with blue accents as well. And then you have your brand new microwave here. You do have a stove oven. You have a dishwasher just down there to the left. You have your nice large sink here. And then you also have the fridge. So again, I'm just gonna back up just so you can get another look at it here. So there is your kitchen. And then as I was stating before, this is your access to the side yard. So you can kind of come out here and you do get some beautiful views here of San Clemente. But I'll show you more of the backyard in just a second. All right, so continuing on, you do have another living space, or it's the same living space, but this can also be used as another dining room or whatever you need to utilize this space for. You do have a nice large sliding glass door here, so you do get beautiful views right outside off the hilltop. But here is kind of another angle. So again, really nice large open area here. And then I'll take you out there last. But as you can see, you can kind of get some partial ocean views as well, just right over there. Okay, so continuing on, you do have a nice fireplace mantel here, so you can, mount some TVs or however you would like to kind of get situated. But again, it is a nice large space. So there's just kind of another angle of the entire room. And then you also have a closet here, coat closet. And then in here you have one of the 3 bedrooms. It does have some beautiful closet doors that you can close so you can kind of hide the closet away. And this one also has a second entrance. So if you don't need the 3rd bedroom, you can also use it as an office or a guest room. And then as we go on, this is going to be bedroom number 2. So another good sized bedroom here. And then similar closets as well. And you do have ceiling fans in most of the rooms here. And then this is going to be one of 2 bathrooms. So here is the first bathroom. So nice large vanity here, lots of space, a lot of cabinetry for storage of any of your toiletries or hair irons, whatever you may need. Plenty of space here to store. And then you have your standing shower and tub as well. And then you also have some extra storage here in the hallway. So plenty of space here for all of your items. And then here is the master bedroom. So you do have the master here. Does have access to the backyard. And then you do have your almost full wall closet with mirrored closet doors. So as you can tell, goes all the way down. Again, ceiling fan in here as well. And then here is your master bathroom. So a nice large vanity. It is a single sink here. And then you do have a nice standing shower with white subway tiles. So, and then you have some nice tiled flooring on the bottom as well to give it some pop. And then just on the other end, you do have the rest of the restroom. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you to the backyard, which might be the best part of this house because again, you are sitting on top of a hill. So you do get some really, really nice views. So let's go take a look and see what else it has to offer. So again, here is your backyard views. Again, you're almost at the very top of the hill here. And then, yep, you do have your ocean view right there. And then here is your whole backyard. It does have a nice hot tub. So, you know, you can relax here with a nice view. You can't complain after that. And then here's that's the master bedroom there. Again, here's the hot tub, beautiful, ready to go. And then you just have some beautiful sculptures out here as well. So if you kind of take a quick little walk over here, this is your neighbors off to the right. And then that is your view. Don't think you're gonna get tired of that. And then lastly, there is also a side yard with like a small little shed for anything you need to store out here. And there you are. So small little shed. There's access to the front of the house and the garage as well. So garage there, front yard there. And then you do have a nice large shed. Okay, well that is gonna do it for us here at 203 Via Senda. If you are interested in the property, please visit our website, www.truedoorpm.com, to submit your applications and find additional information. All right, well, thanks for joining us. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.